The estimates globally are about 2.5% of adults have adult ADHD. So we're talking about 150,000 people in Ireland. That's actually quite a high number, especially thinking about the amount of people that present to adult mental health services, not diagnosed, but are coming with a need. What we often hear with adults with ADHD is that they can experience an information provision gap where they want to know information, but it's really difficult to access. So we wanted to give something that could be, or offer something that could be instantly accessible so they can go onto their phone and download it and get trustworthy information.
The project is a collaboration between ADHD Ireland, the charity, and the HSE National Clinical Programme for adults with ADHD. We decided that it would be useful to prepare an app which included a lot of evidence-based information, the various issues that are associated with ADHD, what it is, what it isn't. Included in the app is information about the National Clinical Programme that has been set up and is currently being rolled out, and it gives information about where to look for referrals. We invited experts by experience, so adults with ADHD, to make suggestions and prioritise what they thought should be included. And that was done with a careful research methodology and has been published as a study.
We've launched it a year ago, November 2022, and it was launched by the Minister for Mental Health. Since then we've had over 18,000 downloads, 12,000 active users, and about half of those, so 6.4 thousand, repeatedly have been using the app. My PhD has also looked at kind of auditing the app use, so getting a sense of how people were using it over time, and we also did qualitative interviews with people to get to understand their experiences of using the app. They specifically mentioned the fact that it's trustworthy, that they can find references to the content so they know it's coming from a credible source. Somebody talked to me about how without the app their journey into ADHD would be really chaotic, and now that they have the app they know where to go to find support, but also not just within the HSE, but it's also offered them the opportunity to engage with ADHD Ireland as well.